Hi fam, Josao here again with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna try to flip this $13. Alright, I recorded this video, but like something happened, so I was like, okay, let me just like still continue with this video. So this account is like what, $13, and I've made profit. I've just closed this trade. I tried to screen record. So I'm currently trading volatility 25. I made what, $19 to prove like this account is real. You guys are seeing, right? This account is real. And for you to know like what this account is real again, you're going to see this box at the top here. So you see, you can see deposit withdrawal. If this is a demo account, you're only going to see what this plus, all right, icon. So I've been recently trading synthetic indices, and yeah, things have been going well. I've been sending signals in my community. If you have not joined, ensure you join the major link. All right, check the link in the description. So I'm trying to flip this $13 to at least $100. Like I believe like people can afford what beginners can afford $10, 20, $13. So I'll flip this. Sorry, I'm not able to show you this one. All right, I was on the trade. However, you're going to see like a pop-up, all right, of the trade on the screen. I'll take a screenshot to show you guys this. So now our account for $30 is currently what, $32. So I'm going to try to what, grow this account. I was trading this volatility 25, sell. Okay, I made like 19, almost $20. So, and it was very easy like to basically like trade this indices stuff. Gives you like a lot of mad cash. With your small account, you can grow your account. So if you basically want to start trading indices, just use the link in the description. Right, you can see best broker for indices. Just tap the link. All right, create your account, verify your account, and start trading. Okay, you can trade as what low as like what, $10. So guys, what I want to do now is like to continue to flip this particular account. So we are now going to look for what, another entry again. We are going to look for another entry. I was trading what, this particular one. I was trading this particular pair. All right, so we can basically see like what this market has what been dropping. Okay, this market has been dropping. It's currently like what, dropping. So let me just use my arrow here. So you can see this was where I entered. All right, I entered, and what, the market keep dropping. So I'm expecting market to do a reversal at this particular point, or if it breaks this particular point here, I'm expecting what, price to what, move down here. You can see from our indicators here. All right, this is the RSI and the 34 moving average. This is what I call my sniper entry strategy. You know, whenever this blue indicator, which is the RSI, is what, below, crosses below this red one, which is the 34 moving average, you want to go for what it's a. So one thing I noticed is like what, the sniper entry strategy what works here very well. Yeah, the sniper entry strategy works here what, very well. So for me to confirm that, what we'll do, let's go to a lower time frame. So you basically see like the crossover occurred. You see, so the crossover basically occurred. So now at this particular point here, all right, I'm expecting price to what, reverse back to the upside. However, if its price fail to reverse and there is what, break of structure here, okay, there is break of structure here, let's say a break, then this is what we're going to expect for price to either was come to this zone and expect this zone, or it's going to move down right to this particular what, zone. Okay, it's going to come to this particular zone. So what we are going to do again, let's just take our zone. Okay, so we just draw like this, and yeah, so this is what I'm expecting, guys. So for price to what, expect this zone, let's come here first with this zone, and if price fail to respect this zone, then it's going to come directly where our arrow is here. So now what I basically want to see from this current price here is like what, to basically allow this candle that is currently forming here, this one that is forming, to basically close in green, and we see another multiple candles pumping to the upside, and we can enter for our buy trade. Okay, we can basically enter for our buy trade. However, if the candle closes, in as much as this is the 15 minutes, if it closes, then we'll know like this is so we still want to continue to go to the lower time frame. You see, so the market is still what, dropping. You see, after this crossover, the market has just been selling, right? Market has just been selling. So let's go to the 15 minutes, and guys, let's wait how this trade is going to basically play out. If it does not play out our way, then we'll look for another opportunity. For now, let's exercise patience and watch. So the account again is what? Real. Okay, you can see real account. You can see from here your deposit withdrawal. All right, so let's work on it, guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are still trying to go our $13 to $100 as I promised you. I'm trading this like a complete beginner, all right, like what any other beginner will basically do. I'm not going to use any kind of professional experience. So our $10 is now $38. Okay, so now let's look at what happened. I mentioned earlier about what this trade, right? I mentioned earlier about this stuff, like what? If price basically reaches here, it might break here or we might get a reversal. So you can basically see like what? There was what? A reversal, right? There was what? A reversal here. So what happened is like what? When price reaches here, this upper zone, and it's reversed, because I was expecting it's either a reverse to the upside like this, or if it breaks this zone, it's going to come down to this our zone. However, you can basically see like what? This particular what area was expected, this zone, okay, was expected. So I'm expecting the price to what? Move toward the upside. Okay, I'm expecting the price to what? Basically move toward the upside. So you can basically see this is what the same account. I need to prove that, you see, this is the same account for you to know like this is real. You see, this is real account. I just want to be transparent and honest with you guys. So now after basically like doing this is what our first account. All right, so this is the first year, and this are just little bit of commission you guys are basically seeing. But this first trade I showed you guys earlier, right, the $19.19. So now our trade is currently playing out, but I'm currently going to go out. So I just want to close this trade. All right, and for you to confirm, like, let me just close this first. I'm not going to be here, so I need to close this. I'm going far away. I'll be a little bit busy, and my phone is basically not charged as well. So our account is now what? $35. Okay, our account is now what? 35 what? 0.96, almost $36. So for $13 we are going to go this up to what? $100. So this is the signal that I sent in my Telegram community, one of in my signal group. Okay, I have two group, the Joseph say concept, be aware of scammers. So I send this to the good morning traders, buy V25 now. You see, this is the TP price, and we are going for it of reward of what? 1:3. So if you are risking like $10, you are about to make $30. So I send this setup, the same setup that I show you guys. All right, and I was also trading what? Something else. All right, in my other account I was trading BTC. This is from $5 within one day to what? $70. You see, from $5 to $70. And this is what the current trade, which I was like trading this $33, which I send. I'm updating all of them. I'm saying it's a buy. I asked them when to stack. So you want to be eligible to join this particular what? Signal community. All you basically need to do is like what? Use our deriv affiliate link and XNES affiliate link. Then you send me a message by Instagram at Joseph Say Concept. When I confirm, you are going to be added. Okay, so guys, so we'll continue this flipping of this video when I return back home. So guys, I found this other setup. All right, this is V75, very volatile. So this is just going to be like quick scalping, because I entered late. I just returned back home. So with this setup here, this was supposed to be was my entry, right, but I missed it, so I just like basically entered here, right, where you're seeing this arrow pointing. And currently now I'm expecting price towards reverse again. All right, I'm expecting price towards reverse because we are currently at the support level. All right, you know, previously when price touches this particular point, when price touches here, it was moved to the upside, right? It has reached this point again, and now you are going to see like what? Double bottom, like one. This is the midline, and here again, so we're expecting price to reverse. So in this case, we are just going to what? Close this position. Okay, we'll just close this position, and yeah, we have closed these positions so far for now. So what we'll do now, we just need to wait, all right, to see what price is basically going to do. I'm going to monitor this trade now. We're expecting price to what? Drop to this particular point here. All right, price to drop to this particular point, and at the end, the other thing is what? For us to see like what? Reversal toward the upside. Okay, to see reversal towards the upside. So this is currently what I'm expecting for price to basically like what? Drop within this zone. Okay, then after which we need to see what a bullish candle, sorry, like green candle. All right, maybe like first one here within this point, first one here, another second one is going to be our confirmation, and we might just tend to basically enter. As for now, we just need to exercise patience. Let's see how this trade plays out, and I'll monitor this so we enter exactly. However, if there's a break of structure, there's possibility is very slim for this to break. It's definitely going to be a buy, except if price like breaks this and probably drop up to like this level. Okay, this particular level here, but this one is definitely a buy trade. Okay, when it reaches here, it's just definitely going to reverse. But let's see how this is going to basically play out. I wanted to put like some buy limits, but let's see first how it's going to play. Then we enter our trade, guys.
A few moments later.
So far, our $13 is now up to $50. Let's see how this trade plays out. So as I mentioned earlier, I said when price basically touches this particular zone is like a legit buy, right? The price is going to see, as you can basically see, I still have my arrows here. I said as soon as it reaches this zone. So what happened? You can see like there was a rejection candle here, and what happened, the market just pumped to the upside. Okay, so let me just close this trade first. Let me just close this particular trade, so I will continue to explain. So you can see our $13 is currently $50. So now, how was I able to basically catch this? I just moved toward the higher time frames. Okay, let me delete this. I just moved toward the higher time frame, like the H4. Try to see like what this zone here is here, right? Little. And after that, I come to the H1. And you can see from the H1, this zone is like basically clear. So if we are going to expect any rejection, it's going to be from this point, okay? Like for the sellers to come into the market again, as you can basically see from this angle right here. So this is where I basically saw this one. So what I was just waiting for is for market to just drop here, and basically after market drop, I knew like the market was going to definitely go up. So like in cases like this now, if the market reaches here and breaks structure, we are expecting the market to go up. All right. So after that, I just moved toward the M30 directly, and this was where I saw the trade setup correctly. I was just waiting for this to basically form. Okay, let's use the M30. I was just waiting for this to just form. As soon as price reaches here, then I'll enter. I should have set my buy limit, but as I mentioned, I needed to wait. Okay. So you are seeing a little bit of reversal. There's possibility of reversal here because of this region here, but price is going to continue to pump to the upside. So our $13 is currently $50, and you know the target is to take this account to $100. So let's try to look for another setup. Yeah, fam. So I entered another trade. All right. So I entered another trade. Our $13 is up to $67. So this is basically the trade which I entered. Our account is currently running over $68. All right, so how was I able to pick up this trade? Just like very simple. What I did was this is our resistance area. So this was a fake breakout. As you can see, there was a fake breakout, and what the price gave us. When the price gave us, then after multiple bearish candle, I just entered for a sell, and I keep stacking. As the price is going down, I keep stacking. I keep adding sell position 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and the market have been dropping. So I'm expecting the market to drop up to like this region, and yeah, then after which we can basically go ahead and close our trades. You can basically see from our technical indicators as well here. All right, you can basically see from the indicators here as well. You can see here, all right, there is a crossover here. The RSI, which is the blue indicator, crossed over as well. So you can basically see, for those that join my free training, right, it's free training is no longer available. I'm offering mentorship free. All you need to do is grab my book for $50, and you can join the 1 month mentorship for both crypto, forex, and indices. All right, so when this V-shape, then you just basically go this reversal. So yeah, guys, so this is how we basically try to do it. This is not difficult. So we want this account to be $100. Okay, however, what we'll do, let's just close the position. So as I promised, I'm going to be trading this as a complete beginner, right? So you just have the target. If you have like a $10 account, all you want is to be making $5 every day. Okay, to be making $5 every day, or to be making whatever, like $5, $10 every day. It's what you basically want to be doing. All right, so our account is currently what, $65. Our $13 is currently $65. Okay, so we'll keep going this account. Let's look for another.
A few moments later.
So guys, our account again is now $75. All right, I found this trade V75. Okay, I found this trade setup. So what basically happened is, like, I just draw my support at the bottom, resistance here, and after which I was just waiting for price. Price was dropping up to here. Yes, price was dropping up to here. So I just like what, entered immediately, and what, when I entered, price has been spiking what, higher, and now we are seeing like what, a reversal. I was expecting price to move up, but now we are seeing what, reversal up to what, this particular point. So however, what I will do is like what, we'll close this position. Okay, so we'll close this particular what, position. Okay, so our account is now what, $75, $13. You guys can see this account is still real. You guys can see this. So our account is now $75. So let's keep on going this account to up to what, $100.
A few moments later.
So guys, our $13 is now up towards $90. So basically, like, this is still the trade. You can see this is still live account. So let me just show you this history at the bottom from the last trade. All right, it was 75.65. You might want to ask, why is this 80? Because you can basically see like what, little bit of commission of what, this daily commission here of like what, $5. Okay, that's why you are seeing what, just 80. So I entered what, this trade with volatility 10. All right, and you can see this was our entry point here. This was our entry point, and we entered here. All right, so we entered here, the market reversed against us, and what, it starts pumping. I was supposed to add some position, but I was like, okay, let me just take it slowly and all. All right, so the account is now what, up towards $90. Okay, so let's see, this is still a real account, it's not a demo account. So I just like making stuff easy for you guys. So now I'm expecting this trade to pump up to this, yeah, I can hit our TP. So I'm expecting price to move up to this particular resistance at the top here. Okay, it's because price break this previous structure before, so it's basically like what's possible again. However, what we are going to do is like, we are going to close this and look for what, a solid position. Okay, all right, so now we have what, is 9.11. So this one you are seeing withdrawal of minus 75.65. It's because of what, the video that I made for you guys on how to withdraw. Okay, how to withdraw from deriv. I made that tutorial, so I still use what, this same account to explain to you guys. I just want to be transparent with you guys. Okay, so this is still what, the same account. Okay, this is still what, the same account. You can basically check what the history. So for today we have closed this position, and this is 9.15 bar. So let's see how this is basically what's going to go. All right, let's see how this is going to go, and we keep going this account. Or the $100, I promise you guys, like, yeah, to show you guys how to go this as a beginner. So let's look for another entry and yeah, reach our final what, amount.
A few moments later.
So guys, our $13 is currently what, earning $100. All right, as promised, I was going to flip this account to $100. You might want to ask, why do you sell in 97? So I'll come again. Like, this basically like send they basically send what, daily commission. So this is the one that I basically made this morning, this $9, which I showed you guys, 9.15, and this were daily what, commission. So the account was 89. So I've basically like what, increased. All right, I opened what, this is the trade that I saw. Okay, I've even sent this in the signal group. I'm trading multiple accounts. Okay, so this is basically it. This is going to be a buy. I was planning to flip this as high as possible, But what I'll do now is like what? I'll close. Okay, I'll close. And all right, so it's almost closed, like, yeah, $99.92, $100. Okay, so $100. So we have basically like what, make this one today. So I'll flip. This is how you basically go what your $10, $20, $30 to what, as high as possible to any amount. If you find value in this tutorial, it's going to make my day. If you subscribe, like, share this video, and I'm going to have what, 1 month mentorship. Okay, the fee is basically $50. If you're interested, send me a message by what, Instagram at Joseph Say Concept. It's going to be about forex, crypto, and basically indices. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.